We're gonna go over how to disassemble the PVC connector task 306A. First, you want to grab a PVC connector from your bin, and you're going to grab a clear box. If you open the clear box, you'll notice that each divider has a specific item that goes within the compartment. So we'll make sure that we place each item in the correct area. Now that we have our storage box on the table, let's grab our PVC connector. First, you want to unscrew the PVC nut. All you're doing is turning the nut until it's loose. Try to keep the white part facing up so the inserts do not fall. You're going to place the PVC nut on the first divider to the left. Now you're going to remove the yellow insert, and it's going to go on the second compartment to the left. Now we'll remove the white insert and place it on the third compartment. Go ahead and flip your base, and now you can see the metal nut. You're going to turn and unscrew the metal nut, and you're going to place it on the fourth compartment. Now that you have unscrewed the metal nut, you're left with the connector base. Put the connector base with the wide portion facing down, just like this. You will repeat the process 2 times until your box looks like this. You'll have 2 PVC connectors, 2 yellow inserts, 2 white inserts, 2 metal nuts, and 2 connector bases. And that is the process.